Magandang buhay, bagong araw. Nako, are we live now?
I don't know. Sabi naman dito, live na eh.
Ayan, live na tayo.
Alive.
Anyway, hello po sa inyong lahat.
Dito, live na eh.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. It's afternoon right now here in Northern California, 3:15 in the afternoon, September 11. September 11 pa ba ngayon?
No,
Naalala ko nga, no?
9/11.
9/11.
11.
Yes, Wednesday out here.
Oh. Pag bigat, malum, marabi yumanan, apo kakabsat dita. No, nyaman nga lugar, nga buybuyaan da kami manan. And salamat ti patuloy nga pagsubaybayo kanyami with this 90-day success challenge. And we hope and pray again to give you an inspiration, give you an encouragement in life, not only in business, but in life also. Because we know that na whatever you're going through right now, gustuhan lang namin is mag-encourage sa inyo.
And remember,
and always remember, God is good
all the time.
And all the time.
God is good.
Yes. Hola, Ate Jao.
Saglit lang. Ay, hi! Oh, may 3 million viewers kami kaagad. 3 million viewers na kami kaagad. I wonder kung sino.
Sabi ni Ate Jao, naimbag nga agsapa, naimbag nga malim.
Ayun, Mentor Jao.
Naimbag nga rabii.
Hello. Okay, all right. So we are on our day 15. Hi, Shay. Day 15 of our 90-day success challenge. So it's pretty much like a new week kasi yesterday we talked about like an insight of the past week. Kasi medyo off yung pag-start namin ng 90-day challenge namin, hindi kami nag-start ng Monday kaagad. So that's why instead of parang sana week recap still, sana namin is weekend, but
no
it's okay.
Matter what you kung anong araw ko man nag-start, ang importante you
started right? Hello, Karil. Hello, Karil.
Hello, Ate Jeans.
Sa mga kasama namin business partner dyan,
mentor.
Baka gusto nyo na rin mag-join, mag-live kagaya namin.
Yes.
Start anytime. Kagaya namin.
Akyat na. Come
Or
over.
akyat today, you want to join us? Be our guest.
Usap-usap lang naman.
Right. Well, today though, our day 15, our topic for today would be just to discuss sources of motivation.
Sources of motivation.
Ano ba ang motivation? So kung titingnan natin ano bang meaning ng motivation? Motivation is the reason or reasons one has for acting or behaving in a particular way, sabi niya. Also, it is like your like general desire or your willingness, the willingness of someone to do something. So yun yung sinasabi mo madalas or sabi mo last time, it is yung drive
ko or
drive
what
mo.
Is your ambition,
inspiration, mga ganyan.
Oo, yung mga ganun. So yun, itatakal namin with and discuss the sources of our motivation, because we don't know kung ano rin yung mga sources of motivation nyo, kasi in life naman hindi naman tayo pare-parehas kung anong nararanasan natin. So hopefully you could gain some inspirational dito sa
insight
or insight sa amin sa pag-discuss nito. And we hope and pray also na whatever you guys are being through right now, sana makatulong dito sa discussion na to.
Yeah.
Because we know life is hard.
But pretty much before we jump into that, parang 'di ba, in anything in life, you need a motivation. Kasi ngayon nga, that's what makes you act or move on something or drive, yung sabi mo nga. So yung yung sample mo kanina, naisip mo na paggawa ng sabi mo sa akin.
Yung kagaya na lang ng kuan ito. Example ko na lang itong shed or pergola or something. Bakit mo naisip na gawin yan? What drives you to do that one? because you want, gusto mo ng maging maganda beautification dito sa backyard mo. And
Magkaroon ng
to
shade.
help you sa shading para maganda ang pagtambay mo dito sa backyard.
Mhm.
To give you a
Yeah.
shade.
That's a simple
Ayun,
one.
it's
Yes.
parang simple ko lang. The initiative.
Initiative. Yeah.
Kung ano, paano, the initiative kung nagagawin mo ang isang bagay na yun.
Distract ka na. So pagpunta sa when you go to college, right? When you
Mhm.
choose the career you want,
Mhm.
right?
Oo, tama.
There's you have a motivation
Mhm.
for sure, or
Oo,
inspiration
kung
why
bakit
you
mo,
chose it and
yes.
what keeps you going to kasi of course yung ilang years na magsa-school ka niyan,
Mhm.
'di ba? You should have a motivation
Ayun yung parang
in
sabi
order
nila,
for you
yung
to finish it.
you have to envision it na.
Envision. Okay.
Kailangan mo na i-envision yun.
Mhm. Yeah, so in anyone, like pag may dream ka, 'di ba? In order to get to your dream talaga, you should have a source of motivation. You have to
Mhm.
have your main reason why you're gonna do it. Kasi if nothing motivates you, 'di ba? Pag or hindi heavy enough yung motivation mo,
Yeah,
give
parang
up ka titigil ka.
titigil ka or tatamarin ka or sa pagluto na lang. Yung tinatamad kang magluto, kakalabasan nun very bland. Hindi siya masarap. Right?
Napapansin ko ata kung
Just like
napipilitan si Mister.
Just like what Shay said, yes, para kanino ba ang paggising mo ngayon?
Ayun,
Sabi niya,
tipigil natin.
ganon.
Yes, para kanina ba paggising mo ngayon?
I
Ayun.
know. Para kanino paggising mo, Shay? Roger and your kids.
Tignan nga saglit natin yung mga message nila. Hola, naimbag nga agsapa. Yes, hi to Sis Jao, naimbag nga malam. Ano ba yan? Yeah.
Mhm.
Hello. So, Sis Gina. Ate Gina is here. Before matulog.
Yeah.
Bilisan natin before siya matulog.
Yeah, nag-celebrate na yan. Yesterday, magdamag yan.
Ayan, ano sabi natin dyan, yung sarap na sarap sila sa luto mo, lalo kang namomotivate, di ba?
Yes, that's true.
Hindi, pero doon ko rin nalalaman, Ate Jeans, kung siguro, baka yun yung reason din, kung minsan siguro, alam ko kung napipilitan siya nagluto kasi medyo may kulang. Pero pag motivated siya,
yeah,
then maganda.
pag motivated naman ako, ang dami-dami namin yung ulam.
Ay, sobra. Sobra.
Dalawang,
two or three na putahe.
Yeah,
Kaya,
at least, di ba?
Yeah, kaya kung minsan yung mga bata parang, Well, is there any occasion?
Mhm.
Wala lang.
Gusto ko lang.
Sinipag ang daddy.
Yeah.
Ayun, that's correct, bro. Okay. So yun. So, anything in life, 'di ba? Parang you need something to motivate you to keep going. I-apply ko na lang. Niisip ko ba? Actually, gusto ko i-share yung sa pagpasok ko nun sa military. Okay. My reason, okay, what motivated me at first to join was because, well, I needed a job that time. Right? Well, motivation, ito, gusto ko rin sabihin, motivation can change every time then.
Mhm.
Right? But it's very important to have motivation kasi nga, kapag hindi ka motivated, you won't, hindi, titigil ka na lang or hindi, you will not get through
Yes.
the, yung kung anong gusto mong tatahakin.
Just like in Christian life, if God is not with you, we are nothing. Yeah. Parang ganun, kung walang nagpapamotivate sa'yo, di parang
ayun. Parang nabitin ako sa mo parang gusto ko
hindi, yun lang naman.
Pero yun, so at first ganun lang, sabi ko I just needed a job, I needed a source of income for me that time. Tapos of course the military has some good benefits. I wanted to be able to bring myself or have yung educational benefits nila to be able to get that. But then, when I got to the training already, nako, parang gusto ko nang mag-back out. Pahirap yung training, right? I mentioned about the obstacle courses that we got through. There's more than that. May time na talagang parang sabi ko na, give up na ako. But just like what my husband said, you have to have a motivation. And actually, I'm glad that it's good when you have God in your life, kasi
Mhm.
he was my
Siya pa lang, it will
yeah.
fill you already.
Yes,
Mabubusog ka na.
yes. So, but also dahil meron siya sa buhay ko, I had the hope,
Mhm.
and then yung always through his Holy Spirit reminding me every time
You're always
of
hopeful.
his word, yung mga promises niya, yung mga Bible
Mhm.
verses na narinig natin, yung mga nagmo-motivate din sa akin, kasi pinanghahawakan ko yung mga salita niya. So those were the things that or my source of motivation during that time. And then ayun, isa ko pang motivation then eventually was like, I need to get out of this training. Ayoko na, ayoko na, parang gano'n.
Mm.
Gusto kong mag-graduate na, kasi ayoko nang makita 'tong base na 'to, na ano na ako, parang kasi psychological, mentally, parang ayoko nang ma-stuck dito sa training. Kasi nga may possibility, kasi if you don't parang kapag hindi ka nakapasa do'n sa training, puwede kang uulit ulit. Ayoko mangyari 'yun. So sabi ko, no, what motivates me, I need to get out of this, right? Okay. So just one of the I'm just saying, like, isa sa mga reason ko nung time na 'yon, ay gusto ko lang makagraduate na and get out of the training, but at the same time, because I want to see my family. So 'yun, ibig ko lang sabihin is, like, every day or every time naman na puwedeng mag-change yung motivation mo. Pero that motivation is the one that drives you to do something,
Mhm.
right? So ngayon, punta tayo sa about business.
Hmm.
Oh. So we want to share to you naman siguro kung how did we end up
Okay, acknowledge ko lang 'tong si hindi ako yung vice president, ikaw yung vice president. I'm just the secretary sa club natin.
hi to Casey Abad.
Yeah, akyat ka na rin sa live ni Ate Jao.
May baka gusto niya umakyat dito right now.
Oh, yeah. I know you have a lot of motivational insights din eh. Lalong-lalo na ikaw eh. Maganda rin yung mga banat mo rin eh.
Kapsat narigat no kwa, iduldulin mo lang
Oh,
itang
kim-kimam lang.
umangot ka no.
Naangot.
Iwar mo.
May secretary pa kayo, lol. Oo, ako yung secretary. Kaya nga wala pa yung mga namin eh, club members namin eh.
Hindi, nakikinoon na lang siya kay Ate Gina.
Yeah, so yun nga.
So but then motivation can be yung actually, in other words, it can be your why.
Mhm.
Your whys in life, right?
Yes, yun nga yung pagpasok namin with this business nga. First of all, sabi ko nga kay Mrs. Yung devotion talaga namin in every decisions that we make, we always pray and ask God and dedicate this business to Him. Because once you dedicate this one to Him, you won't go wrong. Bagkus ibe-bless ka pa niya kasi just like ito with this 90-day challenge nga, yung sinabi nga namin, since dinedicate namin with this to the Lord, nakakapag-fellowship kami sa inyo and we share some Bible verses too. And even us, natututo rin kami sa mga Bible verses, and then some verses nagsisink in na rin dati-dati. Nakakalimutan. Ano na pala yung mga yan, at least hindi lang memorize. Pag nasa puso mo talaga yan, hindi mo makakalimutan yung mga verses na yan, mga salita ng Panginoon. It's just like with your panghawakan mo yan. Yan ang magiging motivation mo yan in life. Not only in business but in life. Just to go through in this journey sa buhay natin while we are here in this world.
Yeah.
Diba? And then, yun nga, kagandahan ng 90-day challenge din. We share these verses and this topic nga, yung pagiging hopeful, pare-pares yung mga lumalabas pa rin na verses na tinatakol namin eh. Just like with Isaiah 41:10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you and uphold you with my righteous hand. Yun nga.
So, yan, isa sa mga verse din na, ang ganda ng verse na to, na panghawakan ninyo.
Yes.
It can motivate you to keep going in whatever,
Just reflect on these words ng Panginoon and
like so sa amin, di ba? Kasi sabi namin, we dedicated this business to God.
mhm,
Then, we have, that's why we are confident kasi we know that God will be with us.
mhm,
Because no matter trials or challenges we might face in this
mhm.
venture that we or this business where we ventured in, we know that we will be okay pretty much kasi nga
Yeah.
we know that God is gonna be with us.
Oh, mag-join daw si Casey Abad.
Casey
Oh,
Abad,
come on,
join siya.
Vice.
Teka lang.
Mag-join ka, sige. Invite ka namin.
Pero yun, so motivation is can be your whys,
Mhm.
And here in when we joined this business, we want to share you like what was our why
Oh,
during
yan na,
that
Vice.
time.
Naka-send na dun sa kon. Just click that link.
So,
Join ka na.
ano ba yung why natin, Daddy?
First of all, yung why talaga, syempre, lalo na kung pamilyado ka talaga, is for your kids.
Yeah.
Your kids talaga yung what ang priority mo na sa buhay mo na it's not yourself. It's your kids already kasi you're leaving them a good legacy, you're leaving them a good future. Para in that way, yung journey nila dito sa mundong ito, it's gonna be hindi naman magiging easy but
It's
it's go
better
at
than-
least better na
than-
nakapag-start na. At least we did the foundation already. It's just a matter of yung mga bata na lang ang magtutuloy. Yun, and then may
Plus yun na.
yung
at
reason ko
least
rin.
be able to have kasi more quality time. That's my
Yes, quality time and
quality time
time
sa kanila.
freedom sa after 90 days challenge. Sa after pa ng 90-day challenge, matagal-tagal pa. Matagal-tagal na preparation pa yan na
Kala ko
Vice.
papasok na ngayon eh.
Kaya nga eh.
But yeah, so kasi po, so for those who
Once you become a parent, your life is not yours. Yes, that's
Okay.
correct, sis.
low power couple.
And-
Hi Sis Gray.
Hi, Gray. Hello po. I agree.
Yeah.
Ito, sabi niya magjo-join then after 90 days pa daw.
Loko.
Mahaba-habang preparation yan ha. Abangan ko yan.
Pero may witness kami. You said
Yes,
that 90
it's
days.
na
It's
after-
okay. 90 days is
after
fine.
90 days.
After 90 days challenge, it's
Mhm.
okay.
It's
90-day challenge ng misis mo. Hindi
Oo.
sa amin.
90-day challenge natin dyan. Malapit-lapit na. Mga 30 days na lang. Oh.
Yeah. But yeah, so for those who actually maybe have not heard about our story, so I am a nurse, an ER nurse. I actually have 2 jobs right now, but they're both part-time. But still, my schedule, it's mostly I'm mostly working in a parang siguro in a 2-week pay, parang isang araw lang ang day off ko in a 2-week pay period. So parang talaga I'm mostly working.
Yes.
And then night shift pa. So it's hard, right? Kasi pag in the morning you're mostly asleep, or kapag yung day off ko na nga lang na ganun, na I will try my best to stay awake for my kids. But yung bang parang yung katawan mo lang, wala lang, pagod na, you cannot really play with them. So parang hindi talaga, so limited yung mapupuntahan nyo, or kung minsan parang grumpy pa ako.
I know.
So yung mga I know, sabi sa Christmas.
I feel you.
So ayun, so talagang yung wise ko was like, especially nung nakikita ko na, kasi napapansin ko na syempre may 11 years old na kami na anak, and she's medyo napapansin ko or naririnig ko sa mga conversation niya with her friends na laging tulog si mommy, or no, we cannot do this or do that because mommy's asleep, or we cannot go out because mommy's asleep. Tapos napapansin ko na they're starting to be parang distant na yung loob nila sa akin, because when I like sometimes I feel like when I just call them, parang takot na kaagad sila when I haven't even said anything yet. So parang nako, I mean, hindi, parang naiinggit na tuloy ako, parang ganun din, kasi syempre yung tatay nila lagi ang mas kausap na nila, mas close nila. But then again, I mean, that was the decision we did,
yeah.
na
We
for him
decided,
to stay with the kids. And that was the sacrifice we decided to do. Pero yun nga lang, is that really what we wanted or what I wanted? Is there a way I can change the situation? Diba?
Kaya
And so that's why when we were able to see this business, wherein I can do it even though I'm busy, kasi very flexible yung digital business. I just need my phone and be able to do it as a side hustle, right? As a side hustle lang naman. But then, I mean, because there's a lot of benefits that this business can show you, or can give you as well, that very, something that fits on what what we needed. Kaya yun yung why ko in starting this, getting into this business. My husband naman, ang parang pinaka-why niya is
I want to get yung kuan ni Ate Jeans na sawa ka na ba sa paulit-ulit na sitwasyon mo
ng
sa buhay mo kung ikaw yun. Diba? And then for me naman, sa hindi pa nakakaalam dyan, I am a professional stay-home dad, full-time stay-home dad. So kung may mga questions kayo dyan, or kung I could give you some tips. So yun nga, what drives me with this get into this business. Buti nga ito rin yung na-timing na business na, kasi I've been praying to God, kasi I have a devotion to, I go to the closet and close the door. I talk to Him and pray. Saan kaya, Panginoon, yung ang isang business na I don't have to anong tawag nun, yung para hindi maging hindrance ba yung oras ko sa mga bata, sa paghatid sa kanila, sa pagluluto sa bahay. I could still do na hindi mess up yung kwan ko, yung routine ko. That's when it hit me, when my yung third daughter namin, when she says that, "Dad, how come you're not working?" Sabi niya ganun. Ang sakit, masakit yun eh. Masakit na masakit. So that's why doon ako nagpray, Lord, where could I find a business that na pwede kong gawin pa rin to, na hindi tawag nito, hindi yung hindi ba masisira yung routine namin, kasi unlike, para hindi rin mag-sacrifice si Mrs. na kuan, hindi siya yung mag-a-adjust. Kasi as much as possible siya na ngayon nag-work sa bahay, as much as possible I don't want her to kuan yung magtrabaho pa dito sa bahay. I just want her, pag day off niya spend with the kids. Kaya mo, ako bahala lahat ito. So when that daughter of mine said it, talagang it hit me hard there.
Parang,
and then yun nga,
nung nakita namin
itong business, and then Ate Gina saw this one first, and then sinabi niya sa amin, and then
she tried it already. Actually, she tried it for 7 months. We waited. So of course, also again, we will mention it. We were also skeptical when we heard about this business, right? So it took us 7 months. Na before we jumped in, but because we have a good friend, Ate Gina there, who joined first, and actually who told us na, just let me test the waters first, right? And then I'll let you guys know when everything is like pretty much safe, or everything is like legit, sabi niya ganon. So we were very thankful and blessed to have, for God to be using, people like Ate Gina, surrounding us with people like,
Mm.
who are very caring and,
Hello, Roger, Ate Jonette. Naimbag nga malumungod kabsat, Roger.
yes. So,
Yes, so, yun.
after 7 months, yes, we're already seeing results from Ate Gina, real results, right?
Mhm.
So that's when, okay, tinignan na namin. We did our the diligence to
Due
check
diligence.
um to go through the process, which is
Yes.
check the website. We
To
registered, we
watch
watched the
the-
free webinar.
watch the trailer,
Yeah.
and then you got excited, watch the full story,
Yes.
and
And then we
you will
went to the
know
step
number
2. We paid that fee, na 149.
Mhm.
Yung para alam na ninyo, meron pong fee na 149. But
But it's a one-time only.
yeah, that fee is fully refundable naman. So tapos kaya nga we took that leap of faith na sige, go ahead, it's okay kasi refundable naman pala.
Mhm.
Kasi nga paano mo nga malalaman talaga kung hindi ka, if you're not really gonna go. Parang sa idea nga na merong entrance fee sa mga park. Di ba?
Mhm.
Paano mo malalaman how nice
How
it
fun is there
Yeah.
inside kung hindi
kung
mo
hindi mo babayaran yung
or
fee?
hindi ka papasok, right?
Yes,
You
hindi ka
won't
papasok.
ever
So
see it.
that's why we paid that. Kasi
Mhm.
nga at the same time then, after really watching that free webinar, parang yeah, I want to see more. I want to know more.
Yeah, that's why yung
Kasi-
nag-motivate sa amin yun,
Yeah.
with our motivation.
Kasi yung why namin during that time,
Mhm.
or until now, it is our pretty much our main why. What motivates us is because we want time freedom. We want a change to happen in our life, right? In our situation. Kasi sawa na po kami sa paulit-ulit sa cycle.
Yes, that's
Sa
right.
cycle na gano'n na lang.
We
I mean,
nung pagkasabi ng daughter ko ngayon, doon na kami nag-usap ni Mrs. nga we need to have to break this cycle.
right. Kasi nga, so even though, so ganun nga yung sitwasyon namin na ako yun yung naging decision namin, ako ang breadwinner. Dumaan kami sa point na parang paycheck to paycheck kami.
Mhm.
Then okay, nagkakakura na meron kaming mga parang side hustles left and right there, pero still it's not enough, or also it's taking time away.
Pagod-pagod kami.
Pagod kami.
Yes.
You know? Yun nga, tapos pero 'di ba, ano ba, why are we doing these things? Sabi namin, isn't it for our kids, for our family?
Yes.
Pero if it's taking time away, o hindi kami nagkakaroon ng quality time,
Mhm.
di parang useless rin lang. Kasi paano mo, parang hindi mo naalagaan yung pamilya. Yes,
Mhm.
you're always just focused on the financial part, pero yun lang ba yung kailangan?
Yeah.
'Di ba? In order to maintain or to grow your family well, or
Mhm.
you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So kaya yun, yan yung parang what motivated us. And until now,
Yung pa rin naman pinanghahawakan ko pa rin naman. Yung pa rin pinanghahawakan natin.
plus we want to share din yung
Yes.
ano ba?
Oh, yeah.
Ay, may gusto kang pakita?
Yeah, si Ate Jean, sabi niya nga yung sinabi mo with those sa theme park, paano mo malalaman kung maganda talaga sa loob yun? Yes, yun, hindi refundable. But with us, it is refundable but within 30 days daw.
Within 30 days. Yan,
Kaya
yung 149
mahaba-haba
sinasabi
pa yung
namin.
pag-iisip nyo yun.
Yes.
And pag-iisip and then pray for it. Kung
Yes.
anong pinagkaloob ng Panginoon and then
And
listen
mind you,
to
actually,
that one.
we
And
will
then,
also, we stayed, we skepticism, we stayed somewhat skeptical din, kahit nandun na kami sa step 2 na yan, kahit meron na kaming kaibigan na living proof namin sana, na
Yes.
di ba, living proof namin na naka-test na nung business, we still have the skepticism. But that's why, but then how would you really know if the business will be the right fit for you kung hindi mo itatry?
yeah.
In any business po na papasukin nyo, you have to take risk. And anything in life talaga, actually. In order for you to get out of a comfort zone, if in something new na papasukin mo, magti-take ka ng risk kasi hindi mo nga alam ang future. Pero kaya nga pinagpipray mo kasi alam ng Panginoon kung ano ang
heart's
future.
desires.
Ang future, siya lang nakakaalam kung, siya lang ang may control, siya lang nakakaalam kung anong para sa'yo. Pero kaya nga pag nagpipray ka, Lord, if it's your will, in according to your will,
Thy
ganun
will be
lagi,
done.
thy will be done. Kasi nga, talagang ang Panginoon lang ang nakakaalam at makakapagbigay ng best, para sa atin.
And we have
Kaya
to,
nga, isa sa mga pinanghahawakan naming
ipa-flash
verse,
lang namin
ipa-flash
to.
lang
Ito,
namin.
yung very favorite
Favorite
verse.
nating verse or favorite na
Yung
mga
mga verses with our
Yeah.
business partners
Yes,
there.
Jeremiah 29:11. Siguro pag nanonood kayo, magiging memory verse na po ninyo to.
Mhm.
Yeah.
For I know the
Plans
plans
I have for you.
declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and
and a future. Kaya sabi namin,
Yan talaga,
Lord.
importante talaga yung hope.
And then yun nga, sabi nga niya doon na yun yung parang pretty much ang sinasabi ng Panginoon dyan is yun yung gusto ko para kasi ama natin yan, di ba? Ama natin siya.
Yeah.
So ang ama, di ba, or ang isang parent, he wants, as a parent din, gusto
Yeah,
namin
hindi
yung
mo naman
gusto namin yung ikakabuti ng anak namin, di ba?
Yes.
So kaya, knowing that you're a child of God, we then have that confidence na hindi kanya pababayaan. First off, sabi nga namin, pinag-pray mo na.
Mhm.
At kung naramdaman mo na at meron na yung sagot, or actually meron na yung conviction, actually parang there's a reason na nilid kami ng Panginoon
Yes.
doon sa business na to. So we already have the confidence na ito na siguro isa sa solution na pinapakita ng Panginoon. It's a door
Yes.
being open to us
Mhm.
that we need to go to, right? So and then now and until now, we've been pinanghahawakan namin yung verse na yan,
Mhm.
because we still don't know how long will we get to in this business. But we just know that He will not leave us nor forsake us. He will
Not
help
harm
us in every step of the way of this one, no matter what. Even though we face trials
Mhm.
or challenges in this business, bababa man, pataas man, in any sa pagbaba man o pagtaas ng journey namin, we know that He will be there for us. Kasi yun yung sabi niya, di ba? So ayun.
Yeah, and then one more na ma-share ko na verse with regarding with our businesses. Yun na, sabi ng Panginoon in 2 Corinthians 15:7. But as for you, be strong and do not give up, for your work will be rewarded. Sabi niya
Wala ba dito sa
ganon.
natin yun? Hindi natin naroon pa yun?
Wala, verse lang na yun.
Ulitin mo ulit. Ganda na. Maganda. Hindi. Ulitin
Baka ayaw mo na naman maniwala sa akin. I-search mo na naman dyan.
Meron
Si
tayong
Shay.
mga kasama dyan na pwede
I-search mo ulit
yan.
dyan. Baka na naman ayaw mo maniwala na naman sa akin eh. Ayun, 2 Corinthians 15:7. But as for you, be strong and do not give up, for your work will be rewarded.
Wow.
Yun.
Amen.
Yun lang
Tingnan mo.
naman.
Diba?
Kaya
Ang
tignan mo,
ganda. See, those yung mga Bible verses na mga yon, yung mga promises ng Panginoon,
Mhm.
use it as your motivation.
Kasi
Motivation.
while
Yeah.
reading that Bible talaga, ang daming, kahit mag-discuss kami ng maraming motivation dito and everything, just go to that Bible and read that scriptures, ang mga sinasabi ng Panginoon, panghawakan nyo lahat ng mga yan.
Kasi nga, ang buhay po talaga natin is, we will
Or
go through.
kung hindi kayo nagbabasa ng Bible, or what I could, mag-start kayo sa Book of Psalms.
Sa mga
Yeah.
a lot of good, yes.
There's
Psalms
a lot
or Proverbs.
Yeah, Psalms and Proverbs, yun ang mga magandang basahin. Sabi ni Shay.
Search ko ulit. Sige nga.
Yeah, search mo. Tignan mo, ayaw,
Hindi ako naniniwala.
Hindi na naman siya naniniwala, nagugulat na naman siya.
Pero yun, so kahit ilang months na tayo dati?
Months for what?
Mag-11 months na
11 months na tayo.
sa business. Turning 11 months.
Sa October, kuwan na tayo.
In 4 days.
1 year na tayo sa October.
But, yun, we have to have some motivation or reason to keep going kasi wala because if kung sa past na days na na-discuss natin, 'di ba, yung sa umpisa ng business, hindi naman, especially in a true business, 'di ba? Hindi kasi overnight successful ang mga true business. Ano 'yan? Pag overnight success, medyo doon magalangan. But anyway, we went through some challenges the first few months kasi
Yes.
nga parang sabihin mo parang yung matumal, yung parang ganun yung business pa nung that time. But because we were still learning about the business. But definitely during those times, it's easy to be to have some negative thoughts start coming in, creeping in your mind.
Ang dali lang ang dali lang manisi eh.
It's easy to
Sometimes.
say ayoko na, it's easy to say ayoko na. But then we are thankful to God. I'm thankful actually for God for giving me a husband who has been
No, I thank you for it too.
kasi actually tingnan mo yung mga ganyan na gugulat na lang ako, ang dami niyang mga words na alam, 'di ba? But then I'm glad to have a partner who kapag yung bag siya ang nanghihila, pag ganun kami pag yung isa down, hihilain ng isa pataas, 'di ba? Kasi ganun naman ang kaya siguro ano ba sabihin ko, parang kaya siguro yung sinasabing ay pinag-uusapan lang namin yung yung bakit kaya daw yung isang asawa madaldal, yung isang asawa tahimik daw. Pero kasi nga siguro there's a reason na ganun nga kasi nga kailangan talaga mahirap pag pareho kayo.
Yes.
Mahirap kung pareho kayo ng ugali.
Mahirap pag push and pull. You need to keep on pulling up each other. Kasi mahirap din. Ayun nga, yes, sabi ni Ate Jao. Hola, ba't napapa-research ang Zap? Nagugulat siya sa akin eh. So, yun.
Alam ko kahit baka yan ang pinamemorize sa'yo ng elementary ka. No, hindi po.
Yeah.
Agree mga ating. Sabi ni Sister Shay, ayan. Be strong therefore and let not your hands be weak, for you work shall be rewarded.
Other version
lang yan. Yes. Next.
Number 6.
Kayo
Oh my goodness.
Anto pa naman about consistency, consistent.
Consistent.
But yeah, so yeah, you need motivation in order to be consistent too, right? Itong sa pagla-live namin, you have to have a reason, a motivation in order to keep doing this.
Yes. Yeah, at first medyo nahihiya-hiya pa kami.
Yeah. Sabi pa ni Mr. Parang may time na naisip niya na parang gawin niyang reason yung pagsundo para daw ako na lang daw yung mag-live lang mag-isa.
Yes, but no, sabi ni Zap, but no. We're partners here.
Yeah.
We're partners in crime, kaya dapat dalawa tayo dito. No throwing under the bus.
Kaya yung website natin, dalawa tayo. Pero hindi, sabi ko, ikaw ang naka-register dito. Ako dapat lang ang guest. But yeah, as husband and wife, you have to help each other, motivate each other when someone is feeling down, and also just this same case naman sa mga business partners natin dyan. We are here to try to motivate you too hopefully by doing this go live challenge, and by sharing all this our experiences, our insights, our opinions, itong mga verses sa inyo. Sana na-motivate kayo, na-encourage kayo.
Not only that, so that you with this 90-day challenge then, so that you know you will know us well, para mas mabuting makilala nyo pa kami ng lubusan. Hindi lang bilang business partner, but bilang kaibigan o pamilya, kapatid.
Yeah.
Or bilang best friend.
Yeah.
Yan.
Pero again, siguro isa pang mag-a-advise na ako sa mga lalo na yung mga bagong business partners natin. try to figure out yung pinaka-why nyo. Kasi it's actually, definitely a reason. There's a reason or why, meron kang why, kung why did you join the digital business,
Yes.
our business.
Kasi
But
hindi
it's
naman-
more of like, talagang is surfacing it out.
Mm.
Tama ba yung term ko? Kasi you might have it in your mind, or there's something that drove you to say, yes, I will join. Pero dapat parang
mas panghawakan mo.
pangmuhay
Panghawakan
mo, or parang talagang dapat you learn to figure that out, and parang and express it out, parang ganun siguro.
Just,
Gusto ko kasi it will
uh,
help you figure out kung sino yung mga magiging target audience nyo, because we are attraction marketing, right? We are attraction marketing, so we won't be able to attract everyone.
yeah, and then we cannot please everyone.
So learning what your why is will help you figure out who will be your audience when you in this type of in this
kung ano lang,
business.
why in the first place napasali ka sa business?
Mhm.
Just hold on to that one.
Yeah.
Kung what made you decide to jump and take that leap of faith.
Mhm.
Panghawakan nyo lang yun.
Mhm.
Just like me, I've been holding that one. Yung pagkasabi ng anak ko, like, yun na naman, maalala ko na, masakit talaga. Ay,
1 minutes na tayo, darin mo.
I know. And then, yun lang talaga.
Yes, why?
Yes, why? Sabi
Sabi ni
niya
Eva.
na late siya.
Hi, Eva.
Pakinggan mo na lang sa replay. Ayoko na maalala kasi masakit eh. Yeah, so
Yeah.
yes. Hey, thank you for watching, Ate Eva. You could still watch the replay.
Yeah, so actually it took me a while din, even though it took me a while I think to really parang isolate kung ano ba yung, kasi there could be a lot of reasons why you join in this business. Of course, some people would say, oh, bakit? Side hustle.
Mm-hmm.
It can be your source of income.
I want to hear why daw.
To hear why. Panoorin mo na lang daw mamaya i-replay. Pero knowing kasi nga you can have a lot of whys or reasons why you do something. Pero meron yung isa na magsistick.
Yes.
And magmo-motivate sa you, and that will keep you going.
Yes.
Right?
I know, sa atin talaga yung purpose natin with yung sumali sa business na yan is the tax write-off. Maganda talaga yung benefit na yun. I know.
Yeah.
That's
yun yung namin.
Very common sa atin lahat dito na pumasok with this business is yung pagra-write-off.
So, lalo na sa mga nandito sa US, sa California.
But with me, with us, that's our only secondary kwan lang yun na bakit kami pumasok sa business na to. And sige na nga, sabihin na natin na kay Kwan.
Ate Eva.
Uli
ka mag-please.
Yes, yun nga, nung pagkasabi nung third child ko, Daddy, why are you not working? Sabi niya gano'n. Kaya that's why it hit me so hard na parang maghanap ng magandang negosyo na it won't compromise. Ayun.
Figure na, nadali mo rin. Lumabas na sa tipot.
Not to compromise yung daily, yung routine namin. At least makakapaghatid pa rin ako ng bata, makakapagsundo pa rin sa kanila. Will cook sa pagkain ni Mrs. when she goes to work, clean the house. Yung para bang hindi rin magiging burden sa amin with the
No,
okay, later.
Okay.
Yes. And yun
na-hit
talaga.
ni Ate Jao yung gusto ko rin sabihin, it's like finding your purpose in life. Yes.
True.
So you could have a lot of reasons at first, right? But then, figuring out yung parang pinaka main one, the purpose. That's the one that will that will motivate you to keep going in doing something.
Yan talaga si Ate Di iba, pinaano pa eh.
Ava said the same thing, kaya ang hirap mag-live, maging emotional din.
I know ate. Kaya until now, yung pa rin ang pinanghahawakan ko. That's my big why.
Yeah.
Until now. And then
Pero, ano na ngayon?
at
Pero at
least,
least for 11 months that we've been
11
in this
months, and
business,
then
slowly,
slowly we're getting there. Slowly we're
yeah.
we're reaching those goals na set namin.
Yeah.
And for myself too, kahit full-time stay home dad ako, I could tell to my kids also, oh, hold on, I'm working right now. I'm editing right now. I'm working, so don't disturb me. Ganon.
Nakakatuwa lang
Kaya-
actually when we were sharing yung or pinakita namin yung mga mga checks ng daddy nila. Pinakita ko yung mga checks na dumarating.
Yes.
Mga bata, what? Really? Daddy has
Ang lakas ng hangin, no? Nakakapuwing dito, ma'am.
Yeah, so but then, through with God's help and blessing ng
Yeah,
Panginoon
With God's help talaga.
talagang yung slowly na nasasagot yung mga
Prayers
prayers namin.
And talaga ang Panginoon.
And then actually
He
now,
knows
tingnan
your
mo,
heart's desire.
even though we still have those as our whys, nagkakaroon kami ng bagong motivation. Ngayon, 'di ba?
Yes.
Kasi slowly, parang noong first, isa sa mga part of our whys would be, sabi namin, tax write-off.
Yes.
Pinakita ng Panginoon na try
Okay,
namin, na-test
write-off.
namin, naka-write off kami. We already tested it. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, meron yung we asked God, we prayed for na maka-hit kami ng certain milestone
Mhm.
para may supplemental income kami during
Yeah.
my maternity leave.
Yes.
Na-hit na naman namin. To God's
Yes.
help, talagang,
And the next na goal namin is yung magbawas na ng oras si Mrs. or mag one job na siya.
abay.
Oo. Ganon. Yun yung next
Pero,
namin. And then further
so-
nun, to set that fixed monthly income.
Mhm.
Sino ang makakapagbigay nun? Yeah, meron ka nun sa retirement mo, but still kulang.
Ilang years pa. Yeah.
Bumabalik pa rin sila to go to work. Right?
Yes, yun nga. Sad, if you've listened to the story, or may kasama kami sa community na mga retired na sila, but they
Yeah.
also joined this business. It's
Yes.
because actually, even after when they retired, they realized, parang hindi pa pala enough
Mhm.
yung pension nila, so they plan to go back to work again.
Yes.
Pero they joined this business, di ba?
Oh,
naging
yes. Yes,
it
sabi.
provided supplemental income to them actually, and they're isa sila sa mga pumapayagpag.
Sabi natin dyan,
Sa-
which
sa
it took
community
us a
namin.
while to find it. Yes, that's true. It took a while for us to find it. Pero at least, it's just a matter is, in kwan lang naman, it took to find, in God's perfect timing lang talaga. Kapag ganyan ang Panginoon in-approve niya, it will go smoothly.
Mhm. Ano sabi
And
niya?
anong sabi pa natin dyan?
And this 90 days Sasha was able to help realize kung ano ba talaga ang greatest why natin. Oh, wow.
Yes.
I can't wait to
Mhm. No worries, you're
we both
rocking the
this
business.
business.
Thank you.
Sis Eva. Okay, yes, on the
Yeah,
way na.
Yes, on the way
Yes,
na.
manifesting. Yes,
Manifesting.
yes.
Yun ang bigger kwan talaga niyan. Or yung sabi nga naman kwan na in Christian life, claim it and it will be rewarded to you.
Mhm.
I-claim mo na yan, yung mga pinagpipray mo, just claim it. No matter what, gaano katagal na ibigay ng Panginoon yan, once you claim it, ibibigay ng Panginoon yan
It's just a matter
in
of
the
time.
God's perfect timing ng
Yes.
pagbigay niyan. And yun again, iniiwan ko na naman yung verse na sinabi ko sa mga business partners and future business partners or whoever's watching right now in life. In 2 Corinthians 15:7, but as for you, be strong. Do not give up, for your works
Shall
will be rewarded.
Yeah.
Yun lang naman. And yes, and it's Wednesday.
I think that's
9/11,
synonymous to
yeah.
the one that we shared last time. It was Proverbs 16 verse 3. Sabi rin, parang ganun rin lang. Commit your work to the Lord and your plans will be established.
Yes.
Yes. Ayun. So, anyway, so for those who are not a business partner yet and are is or is watching us right now or going to watch our replay,
And,
we invite you to check our website, check our digital business, because it became the solution for us in our when we talk
Yes.
about our why, and this is the what God had provided us as a solution. So check it out. Maybe it's something that can help you as well.
Take that leap of faith. Check our website www.genozap.com. Put your name, put your email, and click register.
Yes.
So that makikita mo ang 90-minute webinar.
Mhm.
And then once you are curious pa or you want to know more, go to step 2.
Pay that fee.
And then pay that fee. It's fully refundable within 30 days.
Yes.
And within that 30 days, pag-aralan nyo the business, because everything will explain it there. Nabubulo na ako. Explain it there.
And then or if you have further questions, you
further
can also
questions.
reach out to us.
Yes, and then
Mhm.
take that step 3 na, which is go and come and join us and
Yes.
welcome aboard na sa business. Yun.
Yes.
And
Kasi nga, again, you won't really know.
yes, and
You won't really know if you don't try it.
yes.
Yeah.
Sabi rin ng Isaiah 60:22, when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen.
So it's about just the timing,
The timing
In God's time talaga kapag if you have if you prayed for something na na kailangan mo,
Kailangan mo talaga. Alam naman niya yung pangangailangan niya.
Alam ng Panginoon yung desires mo, yung
Yes,
pangangailangan
yung
mo.
Yes.
But then you have to just keep praying, asking for His help, and just and kasi wait patiently rin. Wait patiently. But just know that because
He's working in the
Yes.
background.
ang Panginoon naman ipanghawakan mo yung mga salita niya, and that
Yes.
because His word will not come back ano yun?
Ano yun?
Meron yung hindi ko ano ba yung term na yun, will not go back to ano yun, but anyway,
tinignan mo lang ako na
nawala na
nablangko
sa nablanko na ako, pero yun nga, yung just kapag ipanghawakan mo yung mga salita ng Panginoon, keep praying about your dreams in life, and that in the right time. Pag ang prayer mo in your time, in God's time darating, bibigay niya. Kasi know that kasi pag marami tayong pwedeng maiisip na parang gusto nating gawin sa buhay natin. Pero always ang perfect is yung will niya eh.
Yes.
So kaya ang prayer mo is, in if it's your will, Lord, make it happen. But then again, of course, while you're waiting for that to come, just be patient.
Patiently wait for it.
Yes.
And pray for it. And nandito lang kami. And another again, thank you again. Thank you. All just yung gusto lang naming gawin is the Lord, the God that's been blessing us
will also bless you. Yes.
Yun lang naman ang gusto namin, to bless
Yes.
you, not to harm you. Then don't
Yes.
worry, we're not a scam.
Yes.
And
our goal in this business is to help others.
Yes.
Because just as how this business has been helping us, so we want to
yes.
be able to help you, bless you, just like what we're
To give you hope,
yes.
hope in
So
life, and motivate you.
So hopefully, if you were inspired, touched by whatever we've said, all these things that we've said out here, don't hesitate. Check our website, or ask questions, message us.
Yes,
We're
again.
here to help you answer all your questions. And again, my name is
Yeah.
Zapra.
And this is Ken. And just go to our website,
Website.
www.genosup.com. So why digital business?
Because it's more fun,
Less stress.
more joy.
Kaya
Join
join us! Okay, bye.
We are
again.
proud digital business owners, and we are signing
off. And see
off.
you tomorrow again.
See you
Thank you.
tomorrow. Yes. God
Bye.
bless.
God
Bye.
bless. God bless.